Hi, this is a What's in My Purse video, and I'll be showing you what's in my purse. Okay. So, this is my purse. Well, slash bag. It's an American Eagle bag, and I got it at American Eagle, and it's really nice. And there's a M&M's keychain. Yeah. And I'll be showing you what's in it. So, first what I have in it is my violin case. It's very big. And my best thing ever. Yeah. And back of the bag. Wall graphics. I love to carry it around with me because you never know when you have to remodel somebody's house and make it better and all that stuff. So, yep. Next what I have is my phone. Sidekick ID. Text. All that stuff. Text people, call people. And next I have my reading glasses. I love to read, so I wear my reading glasses. Now next I have lip vitamin. It feels really good. Mine is berry, and you can get different flavors at Claire's. They're really awesome. And next is my Sharpie. You never know when you need a Sharpie. And now my bullet. And let me just cover this up so you can't see my ID address. And I have a whole bunch of gift cards. I like to gift card stuff. I have 5 gift certificates to Tutti Frutti. $5 gift certificate to Tutti Frutti. Frozen yogurt, really good. And I also have my Jamba Juice card. Really good stuff. My Corvette Diner Gamers card. My Starbucks gift card. And my other Starbucks gift card. And just cover this up so you can't see it. Debit card. My library card. Yeah. My library card, and my Barnes & Noble gift card, and my Target gift card, and my other Target gift card, and my Limited 2 gift card, and my Abercrombie gift card. Abercrombie. ANF. I'm a hard habit to break. And hold on, I have to reach really deep to get this next item. Just reach really, really deep. So, well, never mind, I'm not going to show that. It's just my book Precious by Sapphire. And my music book. Since I play the violin, I carry my music everywhere. I have Jolly Old St. Nicholas, a lot of stuff like simple gifts, Colors of the Wind, since I play the violin. Barn Dance, the Black Pearl from Pirates of the Caribbean, and now we're reaching into my bag. We're reaching into my bag where zipper holds a couple of pence. So, thank